Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick little update on the custom 10XL. Got the bearing in the mower deck and got me a belt. Not the right size belt, but it's a belt that works. And I'll show you what we got going on. I was just starting testing with the mower deck and it's working great. As you can see here, this mow cut is great. Dog's playing in the water. I'm up to there and I'll show you what we got going on. There it is with the mower deck on, and the dog's still playing in the water. There you go. I was having trouble with a 5/8 by 50 belt that's supposed to be on here. So I went ahead and went with a 1/2 inch by 50 inch belt, and it's working great so far. I know it's a little smaller, fits down deeper in the groove, but I was having trouble getting a 50 inch 5/8 belt that wasn't 49 or 48 inches big. So I'll keep looking, and local farm stores don't carry a 50 inch in a 5/8, so I can't go through their stock. So I'm up to relying on mail order or Amazon. Well, let's show you this thing mowing. Alright guys, so there you have it. The custom 10XL is ready to go. So I've already put it into good use mowing the front yard, as it does a pretty darn good job. So I'll give you a little look-see of what all it's done as I bump my knee. There you have it. It does a good job. Now it needs a drink. It's thirsty.